Well, this is my first fish of the day. So what is happening, YouTube? Here we go, here we go, here we go. Today is another one of these days that end in Y. So you know that makes it a great day to go fishing. It is Dryzdale, and it is early. It's what, 6:47 in the morning. I have taken on a job, and now that job is cutting into my fishing time. So I have to come out when the Airbnb is vacant. I come down here and maybe spend a night or two, so I can at least get out in the morning before I have to go to work. So I'm going to tell you all, thanks for watching. I appreciate everybody who watches this channel, everybody who hits that like button, and everybody who leaves these comments. To my subscribers, thanks so much for your continued support of this channel. My long-term subscribers, to my new subscribers, welcome to the Dryzdale family. And if you just happen to be scrolling through YouTube and you came across this channel, or if somebody recommended this channel to you and you haven't already done so, go right ahead and hit that button right there to subscribe to the channel, along with that bell right there, so that you get notified when I post new videos of me and whoever I might be fishing with, catching more of these evil but sure enough tasty crappie. So let's see how we do on this episode of Crappie Fishing with Dryzdale. Let's go get them. Oh, there's another one. Come on here, girl. Oh, there's some decent fish on this tree. I should have. She ain't as big as the last one, but she gonna make the cut. I'm gonna drop this fish in. There we go. That's a nice fish. That's a nice fish. Alright, my boat position. My boat position has shifted on me, so I'm gonna have to change my boat position. Yeah. Good morning bite this morning. That's 3 shots and 3 kills. Oh, now they're getting smaller though. This was probably about, I don't think it's 10 inches. I'm throwing it back. If I'm in doubt. So let me show you what I'm using too. Little fish right there. Might be a decent fillet, but I'm gonna get rid of her. The fish might have been 10 inches. I got crappie bougie. So most time I'm fishing, I'm of course using this Crappie Baits by CMI. I'm throwing a 1/16 ounce jig today, because that's just what I have on my line right now. I'm using 4-pound fluorocarbon leader with 6-pound braided line. Ah, so you had to get the pump fake. Got the big ones out of there first. These are right about 10 and a half inch. Yeah, they're hitting the pump fake, so that's the, oh yeah. I'm not gonna flip you, baby. Come on. There you go. I might have been able to flip you, but why? Why would I want to take that chance? I'm okay with you. I'm okay with flipping you out of there. I'm okay with flipping you out, filming into the sun. I'm gonna put these fish in the live well. I got one in there and I ain't even got the water on. All right, I done got back into some small fish. Wind's picking up. That means I'm gonna have some bad audio, and I don't like that on my videos, folks. I just don't like to hear all that wind blowing. I really want to get down there and try it again. Try and get down there on the bottom and fish this down there lower. Might have to go get on top of them and fish vertical. See if I could drop down. See if I could drop down there vertically. There we go. Got him. That's a better fish. That was a better fish. Come on. Let's get him out of this water. I don't think I need to boat flip him, but I don't think I need to net him. But why not? I didn't need to net him. She'll make about 11.5 inches. She ain't a Shirley, but she gonna make the cut again. She ain't Shirley, but she gonna make it. In my last video, that was Memorial Day, I was missing a whole bunch of fish because I didn't open up my hook on these 1/64 ounce jig heads that I was using. I did switch to some of them today. I haven't. Ooh. But I got a better hook set connection today because I didn't make that mistake. I wasn't hard-headed, and I went ahead and opened up my hook yesterday when I lined up when I set my lines and my rods and everything up. So, not missing the fish that I was the other day when I went fishing. What would make sense though is for me to go into my tackle box and open all of those hooks. I'm not gonna do that. Now that one, I missed that fish, but it wasn't because that 1/64 ounce jig head was not open, because I got the 1/16. So I just missed that fish. So that's a skirt! Back down there, just some of the deeper fish. I was just biting the bigger fish anyway. start running off that tree. Oh, I might lose this one. If I don't catch a fish on this one, I'm gonna lose this one too. It's going down over a branch. It's gonna be ugly. It's gonna be ugly. Oh, I got him. If you don't catch a fish, you're gonna get hung, so you better catch, oh, you better catch a fish. When in doubt, net him. I probably could have flipped him, but I am not trying to have to use Krista today, folks. That's a pretty fish. Ooh, that's a nice looking fish. Come here, girl. Get my hook back. There you go. I haven't changed this hook, this bait yet, but I have switched to my 164 pounds. That's the one I just lost. So it's the fish that's down here that are biting. The ones up on the top. Let me move my line scope. The ones up here, those are the smaller fish. The ones that's down here that I'm hitting, going through this tree right here, that branch, get them down in there. That's where they're biting. So no risk it, no biscuit. Got him. Got him. You slow rolled me, but I got you. Come here, girl. I see all the other fish I've been catching. Decent fish. This one is a dink. She might be 10 inches. Ah! I said, watch that fish. Now I know my pants are down. Yep. They're down there, in the deep ones. Some better fish. It might be about 11 inches. Yeah, she gonna do it. She gonna do it. She gonna do it. Uh-oh. Knock my spot lock off. Oh, shoot. Ah. God, dog, it broke my line. That's gotta be, I had to be the catfish. Yeah, I think that was a catfish. Took my line off, took my hook off my line. We'll go back and try it again. Time. All right, I switched up my bait. Retied after that catfish. And actually, this time what I did, now this is a small fish. Let's see what we're doing with these. Because I switched up the bait. And the one I have right now, this one is a still 1/16 ounce jig head, but this one is a Citation Crappie jig. This one is their Fulton Green Citation Crappie jig. There are two baits that I use. And most of you all know my primary bait is Crappie Baits by CMI in the description. But Crappie Baits by CMI and Citation Crappie jigs, my two primary bait of choice. Oh, no, while I'm running my mouth and not paying attention, I done got hung. And what that means is shimmy time. I got to do the shimmy dang plastic. Not bad. I'm gonna go get this one. And then I'm gonna find another tree. Cause I gotta go to work, And the wind's picking up more on me too. Oh, there we go. Come here. Come here. Come here. Oh no, get out of the tree. Get out of that tree. Get me out of that tree. Come on. Get her running. God dog it. She ain't gonna get me out. She ain't got me twisted around a tree. Oh, maybe you are. Come on. Do it again. Come on, get me out. I want out. I want out just as much as you do. I don't think I'm gonna get this one back, folks. She keeping still now. Oh, got her. Got her out of there. Got her out of there now. Oh, you ain't a bad fish either. You ain't a bad fish either. I got her out of that tree. You thought you had me. You thought you had me. But you didn't. Honestly, I thought she had me too. I thought she had me too. Goodness gracious. I don't know how you hooked, but you weren't going nowhere with lips. You'd have got out, you'd have been lipless. That's a short, fat fish. Boy, she almost built like a brim. But she gonna be built like a fillet in a little bit. Got him. Ooh, that's a good fish. There's a whole bunch of everything in this tree, it looked like. I tried to let him get away. But she wouldn't leave me. There we go. I'll see you when you come out here, girl. I told you. I'll see you when you come out here. Another decent fish. All right, folks, that's what the live well looks like. I'm gonna count them out when I get to the dock. Let's check out what we did. I have 15 slabs right here. Well, they're not all slabs, but I got 15 fish. So, let me get down here and put them in a bucket. So, folks, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up this episode of Crappie Fishing with Dryzdale. As always, folks, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate everybody who watches this channel, everybody who leaves these comments. I gotta go to work. Lake Dryzdale likes the lights on. I like to keep gas in the Crappie assault vehicle. And everybody who hits that like button. To my subscribers, you already know, long-term subscribers, thank you so much for your continued support of this channel. To my new subscribers, welcome to the Dryzdale family. And if you just happen to be scrolling through YouTube and you came across this channel, or somebody recommended this channel to you, and you haven't already done so, go ahead and hit that button right there to subscribe to the channel, along with that bell right there, so that you get notified when I post new videos of me and whoever I might be fishing with, catching more of these evil but sure enough tasty crappie. So until the next time, folks, remember, the best days to go fishing are the ones that end in Y. Dryzdale out. Let's go to work.